playing in Friday Night Light games to taking a walk down the sidewalk and coming back like I just ran a mile. So I definitely want to thank the UK training staff for everything that they did to help me recover, and not just helping me recover, but helping me open up. Because as a student athlete, it's not very common that we like to talk about when we're in pain or when we're going through something. But an important step of this healing process was being open, being honest, making sure that they knew exactly how I was feeling. So if there were any problems, they could jump on it before anything got bad or anything like that. But luckily my road to recovery was, I want to say, as smooth as you can hope for. Because this is a type of surgery that usually happens to people in their 40s, 50s, 60s. Here I am, just turned 18 4 months ago, and now it's happening to me. So, I went from 25 pounds to eventually working back to getting back with the team. I was blessed enough to be able to recover in time for fall camp. I was full go, full shoulder pads day one, just like the rest of the team. I really want to thank Slacks and the American Heart Association, because at first, my first time speaking for the American Heart Association at the Heart Walk was my first real time opening up about the entire situation beginning to end. And I had it that way because at first I didn't want to be the guy that was known for having heart surgery. I didn't want to be labeled as that guy. I just wanted to fit in with the rest of the guys. I just wanted to be able to train with the rest of the team, like laugh with the rest of the team. Like when this happened to me, it was like 3 weeks before prom. So I wasn't able to, at times I never felt like if I was known for this, I wouldn't fit in. But what I realized is from Coach Dukes, from Coach Schlarman, rest in peace, is that nobody creates a legacy by fitting in. Nobody is remembered for fitting in. Nobody has a story for fitting in. Nobody is special for fitting in. And it's not my job to fit in. It's my job to be myself. And myself is Kenneth Horsey, student athlete, brother, son, friend, football player, scholar, and just happens to be heart survivor. So I want to thank you guys for coming out today. I want to thank you guys for coming to see this CPR training, because even though I didn't have to undergo CPR, you never know. Like Slack said, they just had to save somebody's life with CPR just this weekend. So you never know when it's going to be you. You never know when you're going to need these tools. Hopefully you never do, but this is definitely just an important skill to have just for all of us. So I pray that you pay attention. It's very quick, it's very short. We'll only take a few minutes of your time, but in these few minutes, we'll all be able to learn how to save somebody's life. So thank you.